One of the key aspects of woodworking is its adaptability to modern home decor trends. Minimalist designs, rustic accents, and eco-friendly materials are on the rise. By focusing on easy wood projects, you can create items that resonate with contemporary aesthetics. This not only serves your personal style, but also appeals to potential buyers who are seeking unique, handcrafted pieces that elevate their homes. Sustainability is another crucial factor in woodworking. Consumers are increasingly aware of their environmental impact and are drawn to products made from responsibly sourced materials. By utilizing reclaimed or sustainable wood, you can position your creations as eco-friendly options. This approach not only contributes to the preservation of our forests, but also enhances the marketability of your products, as many buyers prefer sustainable. Marketing your woodworking projects effectively is essential for turning your hobby into a profitable venture. Social media platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, are ideal for showcasing your creations. High-quality images and engaging storytelling can attract potential customers and build a loyal following. By sharing your process, from selecting materials to the finished product, you can create a narrative that resonates with your audience. Craft fairs and local markets provide excellent opportunities to connect with customers face-to-face. Setting up a booth allows you to display your work, engage with potential buyers, and receive immediate feedback. This personal interaction can help you understand what designs resonate most with your audience, allowing you to tailor your future projects to meet their preferences. Additionally, building relationships within the community can lead to repeat customers and referrals. Another avenue to explore is online marketplaces, which have grown tremendously in recent years. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify allow artisans to reach a global audience. When listing your products, consider using keywords that reflect current trends and styles. Good product descriptions and eye-catching photography are vital for standing out in a crowded marketplace. By optimizing your listings, you can attract more potential buyers and increase your sales. Moreover, woodworking can serve as a therapeutic outlet. The process of transforming raw materials into something beautiful can be incredibly rewarding. This aspect of crafting not only enhances your mental well-being, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment. By channeling your creativity into woodworking, you can produce meaningful pieces that bring joy to both you and your customers. Collaboration with interior designers and home decor influencers can also expand your reach. By forming partnerships, you can gain access to a wider audience and benefit from their established credibility. Offering to create custom pieces for designers or participating in styled shoots can showcase your work in a professional setting, further enhancing your brand's visibility. This strategy not only promotes your creations, but also positions you as an expert in the field. As you develop your woodworking skills, consider branching out into workshops or classes. Teaching others the art of woodworking can be a lucrative venture. Many people are eager to learn DIY skills that allow them to create personalized home decor. By sharing your expertise, you can foster a community of fellow woodworkers while generating additional income through class fees and material sales. Additionally, storytelling plays a vital role in marketing your wooden creations. Sharing the journey behind each piece, its design inspiration, the materials used, and the craftsmanship involved, can create an emotional connection with buyers. Consumers are often more inclined to support artisans who share their stories and values. This connection can lead to increased loyalty and repeat purchases as people feel invested in your work. Lastly, consider the long-term potential of your woodworking endeavors. As you hone your skills and expand your product line, the opportunity for growth becomes apparent. You can diversify into furniture, decor, or even custom commissions, allowing your business to evolve with market trends. By staying adaptable and embracing new techniques, you can ensure the sustainability of your woodworking venture for years to come. In conclusion, Easy Wood projects not only enhance your home decor, but also present a viable opportunity for generating income. By focusing on sustainability, effective marketing, and community engagement, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable endeavor. Embrace the journey, share your creativity, and watch your handcrafted pieces transform both your living space and your financial landscape. Woodworking offers a fantastic opportunity to create modern home decor while generating income through sustainable practices. By crafting unique pieces that reflect contemporary aesthetics, you can tap into a growing market for handmade items. Effective marketing through social media, local fairs, and online platforms can help showcase your creations and build a loyal customer base. Emphasizing eco-friendly materials not only attracts conscious consumers, but also enhances your brand's appeal. As you share your journey, from design to finished product, engaging storytelling can foster connections with potential buyers, encouraging them to subscribe, like, and share your work, ultimately driving profitability and community support.